All right, so now we've put all of our individuals into their proper wells. And so we are going to take the machine and we are going to turn it on. So remember, it goes from negative to positive, and we're looking for long base pairs going the least far. So they're not going to go very far, and then things that are very, very small are going to go as far as they can go. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of turn on the light. And then I'm going to push this button here that's going to start the process. This entire process takes around 25 minutes to a half hour. So what you see up here is a 30-second version of that. And so you can see the bands are starting to move from the top to the bottom. And we've superimposed on there the names of each individual so you can tell who is who. So these are our results. So what we want to be looking at here is, first of all, we know Jillian is a homozygous recessive non-taster. And so you can see there that she has one bar. That one bar is both of those little T's on top of each other. That's why that bar appears to be a little bit darker. Mom, dad, brother 2, they have 3 bars. Those represent the big T and the little t. So the big T is going to be represented by 2 bars, and you can see those in grandpa and brother 1. And if you kind of look across, you'll notice that they have similar bars. So for example, Jillian, dad, mom, and brother 2 all have that bar that's the closest to the top. That is that small little t. And then you can see the one underneath that is going to be one of the big T's, and the one at the bottom is going to be the other big T. And so what you can see here is that mom and dad gave Jillian her little T's. So they are both heterozygous, which allows them to give her one of the alleles that's small each, giving her 2 small allele T's.